Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can write a program to print number from 1 to 100. So without any further delay, let's begin. So let's open the code blocks. Click on Create a new project. Console application. Click Next. Then on C, click Next. Give a project title. Click Next. Then Finish. Open the project by double-clicking on Sources, then on Main. Here we see that a default Hello World program opens, so let's type in our code to print numbers from 1 to 100. Now let's build the program. Let's run it. Here we can see that the numbers are printed from 1 to 100, hence we have successfully completed our program. Remember to check the description. I will be providing a detailed explanation of the program along with the code. If you loved this video, kindly give a thumbs up to the video and do remember to check the description for complete explanation of the program. Goodbye.